Part two, guys. Well, this is my sewing machine, and like I said, I'm not a sewer, and I gotta learn the sewing machine. But I had some material left from, doing reupholstering the couch, and I don't want to, waste anything. So I had a big piece, from cutting the strip. So I got two big pieces here, and I'm gonna practice on the sewing machine and see if I can make me a pillow for my couch. So I am just taking my cushion loose, piece by piece, looking at how, it's sewn, seeing, which way I can shortcut it if I can at all. But this is the part I'm most nervous about. But I done overcame other parts of this that I'm doing. So I'm just, taking the cushion and making my little patterns out of it and seeing if I can get it to sew back the way I took it off. I have taken a loose part of my cushion, and I done pinned it to my fabric. Now I'm about to cut. So what I am gonna do is, to make it easier on myself, I am going to leave the old pattern on here, and I am going to pin around where the seam allowance is. Then I'll know where to butt up the other seam to when I go to the sewing machine. Okay guys, here's my cushion. So like I said, I gotta make it easy on myself. I still got the ring here from what I sewed on, what I took off of the cushion, okay? I still have the ring that goes around the cushion. So I'm thinking, should I just pin the material on here and go all the way around and then try to get that material to pin on top of this? Or should I, since I know this is the front, should I take this material, wrap it around, and then see if I can get my other material to pin to it, and then I'll be done. I'll be right back once I figure out how I'm gonna do it, but it's got to be easy for me. See, this is the material that I had left from cutting the other part. So if I put it on like this, but you know, if I put it on like this, and this is the back, I just cut the back thing off, the back zipper off, and just attach it to this, because that's the back, who cares? Then my panels here, I can take and put it on here, pin it. So if I'm going to do that, I would have to turn this backwards. I would have to turn this backwards. Once I turn it backwards and get it where it's even, so let's say I have it coming around to here and coming around to here. Okay, so this is my cushion. This is, well, the part that I just showed you I cut. So what I am going to do is just pin it. Just pin it the best that I can, you know, together. Because at first I was just going to take it off piece by piece by piece. I am not a sewer. I am not a sewer. I don't know how to cut the corners and all this and that. I just, you know, I am just going to do what works best for me. So, if we turn it like this, and like I said, I get to pin it, you know, get the pinning all the way around. Then I take it off and put it on the machine. Then I think that'll work. You see that? If I pin it going all the way around, I really think that will work. Okay guys, I got my cushion on. Right? And it fits. So now, from the circular piece that I had from the old couch, I just got the zipper. I'm gonna lay it across here. See that? Just gonna lay the zipper across here for my cushion. And I am going to turn it backwards and pin it, to the existing material. And we're gonna see, because this is the back of the couch where it zips up at. So I am going to see how I am going to do that. And that's pretty much how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take this, lay it across here, and just get to pinning. After I pin it, I'm gonna flip it over, pin the other side. And that's it. So guys, I got my pillowcase. That was the simplest, well, not pillowcase, slip cover. To me, that was the simplest way to do it. And I'm just gonna do all my slip covers that way. Okay guys, I'm still working on the couch. And what I'm planning on doing is I have 3 cushions underneath this. This is the back of the couch, right? Got 3 cushions. I'm not going to sew 3 cushions for the back of that couch because I'm not a sewer. So what I am going to do is tuck that. Now it's going to benefit me because when I get ready to straighten out my cushions, I can lift that up. All right, guys. Well, this is the final result of my couch. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the leaves in this couch is like a dark green, and it's trimmed in brown, and it's got cream. Those are my favorite colors that go together. And I had a drop cloth, and I just made some pillows, with the drop cloth, and I'm able to take the pillows in and out. Also, with a little bit of extra material I had, which I didn't have much, I made an extra little pillow there. So basically, that is how it goes. I can't believe I was able to do this, by myself, but I was able to do the couch. And it wasn't as hard as I thought. All right. This is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.